Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see 8th lesson. We need food. Why do we need food every day? We need food every day because our body needs energy to keep working. Our body works when we walk, talk, study or play. Even when we are asleep, our heart, lungs, liver, and other organs work. Food gives us the energy to do this work. When we get hurt, the wounds heal after a few days. Our body can repair injured bones and skin. The food we eat provides us with proteins and nutrients to heal our injured body parts. They help our body make new cells. Children need lots of proteins and carbohydrates to grow. Foods like milk, cheese, butter, eggs, peas, and beans help us to grow. We should eat these every day. The actual quantity of the different classes of food depends on the age, physical activity, and the work of a person, among other things. Excess nutrients is not good and leads to obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart problems. Sources of food. The food we eat comes from plants as well as animals. Fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, and nuts come from plants. Plants also provide us with spices and herbs that we use while cooking our food to make it tasty and flavorful. Food from animals includes meat from chickens, sheep, etc. Some animals give us eggs, for example, hens, ducks, and geese. Others give us milk. Milk is used to make products like ghee, curd, paneer, and butter, which are important components of our diet. These are known as milk products. Why is food important? Some food items help us fight diseases. Green leafy vegetables, citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, milk, eggs, carrots, and fish give us vitamins and minerals which may keep us free from diseases. Milk has calcium which makes our bones and teeth strong. It is said to be a complete food. Citrus fruits are good for our eyes, skin, teeth, and gums. Leafy vegetables help in the formation of blood in our body. Fish is good for our eyes as well. We must drink a lot of water every day to stay healthy. All foods contain a little water. We lose a lot of water when we sweat, breathe, or pass urine. The water we lose must be replaced. The water we drink also helps us to digest food and form blood. We must eat all kinds of foods, go food, grow food, and glow foods every day. Go foods give us energy to do all our work. Grow foods help us to grow. Glow foods help us to remain healthy and free of illness. Go foods. Cereals such as wheat, maize and rice, bread, sugar and potato are foods which give us the energy to work, play and do our homework. Grow foods. Grow foods like fish, eggs, pulses, milk, meat and beans give us proteins, vitamins and minerals. These help us to grow stronger and repair the injured parts of our body. Glow foods. Glow foods like fruits, green leafy vegetables, milk and eggs help us to stay healthy and free from illness. A diet which contains a little bit of all the nutrients that help us to grow, work and repair our damaged cells is called balanced diet. Our body needs different kinds of food and nutrients to grow and remain healthy. Fresh fruits like papayas, apples, oranges, mangoes, cherries and grapes are eaten raw. We do not need to cook them. They are juicy and pulpy and keep our body healthy. We eat some raw vegetables too like carrots, radish, cucumbers and tomatoes, lettuce and cabbage in the form of salads. We must wash fruits and vegetables before we eat them to wash away germs. But most of the food we eat is cooked. Cooking makes the food soft and tasty. It can be easily digested, but nutrients should not be lost in overcooking. Cooking at a certain temperature kills the germs in the food. Rice is boiled in water. Wheat is ground into flour, which is kneaded and made into chapatis. Pulses are boiled in water. Meat and fish are roasted, fried or boiled in water. Vegetables can also be roasted, fried or boiled. Eggs are eaten boiled, fried or poached. Food in our homes is tasty because we add spices to it. Some health secrets. Eat less fatty foods. Fatty foods like butter, cheese, oil, ghee and fried food like pakoras and samosas are not good for us. Food items made from pulses and groundnut are healthy to eat. Eat less salt. At snack time, eat fresh fruits, sandwiches, vegetable salads, roasted chana and curd instead of junk food like pizza, noodles, potato wafers, sweets and ice cream. Junk food can make us fat and unhealthy. Drink water or fresh fruit juices instead of cold drinks. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grain cereals, cornflakes, unpeeled apples, pears and raisins. These have fiber which help us digest food. Understood? This is about the lesson 8, food we need. Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. We need food. Thank you.